All right, we're working from the Green Big Ideas Record and Practice Journal. Today we're doing 3.4 and we're doing the actual extension in 3.4 and it is factoring. So what we're trying to do is we're kind of trying to use that distributive property and we're trying to factor out what they have in common. So for number 7, what you got to do is you got to figure out what do 28 and 20 have in common, and we just want to factor that out. So 28 and 7 both 28 and 20 both have 4 in common. So essentially what we're doing is we're pulling out that 4, and then we're going to use our parentheses and we're going to write what is remaining. 28 divided by 4 would be 7, and then we're going to be subtracting 20 divided by 4, which is 5. So you would have 4 on the outside and then 7 minus 5 inside the parentheses for number 7. For number 13, we have a variable introduced. Still, we got to look at the numbers 16 and 24. What do they both have in common? Well, 16 and 24 both have, I believe, 8 in common. We're going to take out an 8. 16x divided by 8, we're going to put that 8 on the outside of our parentheses. 16x divided by 8 is going to be 2x. And then we're just going to add 3. 24 divided by 8 would be 3. So it would be 8 with 2x plus 3 inside the parentheses. Finally, the last one, number 15. This is probably the hardest one. 13x plus 39y. We're going to take that 13 out, and we're just simply going to put 13 on the outside of the parentheses. 13x divided by 13 would just simply be 1x or x. And then 39y divided by 13 would be 3y. So we're taking out the 13, we're putting the 13 outside the parentheses. You're going to get 13 with x plus 3y inside the parentheses. Once again, this is using the distributive property. And if you kind of want to just go backwards, we can go 4 times 7 gets us 28, minus 4 times 5, which is 20. 8 times 2x gives us 16x times 8 times 3, which is 24. 13 times x is 13x over here. And finally, 13 times 3y would be 39y. Distributive property.